Lego. I thought there was like an extra piece in that bag. Hey, orange separator. Astro, I think we talked about it. I think you got this, right? You just haven't started it yet. Set all these aside. Oh, what was the P Bandai wave this time, robot? Was there a new wave that got announced? Not really knolling, just kind of separating light colors here. Interesting. Just one. Oh, there's gonna be more little dark gray stuff. Don't scratch the desk mat. Mainly just reprints of older releases. Oh, plus another F90 parts back, and some of the new FF kits. I see. You know what I found, Robot Wizard. Well, I didn't find it. I did not realize that my wife saved this. So, uh, my little bit of a Gundam history here for me was I started building Gundam in the Philippines. So, I got hooked. What hooked me was the little SD kits from, gosh, way back then, mid 90s. So I started building those, and then when I moved here to the US around 95, you know, I'm in Arizona and there's really no hobby shops that carried Gundam. So I would have my aunt who was an international flight attendant. So whenever she went to Japan or Hong Kong or the Philippines, she would pick me up some model kits. And I think I have the bag here. Hold on. So I started to build some of them, and they were like the old 1/100 kits. So we put them in the storage of my old house, and I thought they got thrown in the trash. And we've moved multiple houses since then. And then my wife was like, she heard me talking about, I forgot what I was looking for. I was looking for a particular piece, and while she was looking for something, she came across, yeah, the 1/100 no grades. And look, I mean, none of them are complete. None of them are complete. But look, this is the old. I guess I tried to paint it. The old Shenlong kit or part of it. I don't know. It probably reset that. No, it probably reset it when I was sorry, my wife's talking to me. So yeah, there's the I mean, it's missing his head. And then look at this. Apparently my friend or somebody told me this is sought after, but then again, I don't know why. Isn't this like an old F90? I guess it still had some of it. Science, hey, lurk for partner. Science. If y'all want to check out some and learn some biology stuff, check out science. I don't. I think these were the old high grades, right? Looks like a Gundam Alex. You think this is a tall geese or a version of the tall geese? Oh, there's the head for the Shenlong. There's a head. I don't know if this is a heavy arms Gatling gun or one of the what was the enemy